Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am back with another video for you guys today. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my official dorm room tour for 2019. So in this video, I'm going to be giving y'all a very detailed tour of my dorm room. So if y'all don't know, I have been living in a dorm for about a month. I attend the University of North Texas. I am currently living on campus because it is required that freshmen live on campus at UNT for the first year. I actually live in one of the newest dorms here on campus. It actually is the newest dorm on campus. It was built this year and we are the first residents to ever live in this hall. I don't want to make this intro super long because I haven't made a video in a long time and I know y'all really want to see a video. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video. So if y'all enjoy this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel for more of my content. Hopefully I'll be having a lot more content soon. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this video. So guys, when you first walk into my room, this is what it looks like. So first of all, this is my side of the room and the other side is my roommate's side of the room. When you come into the room, this is what the door looks like, and I showed y'all how like the key goes. We don't have like regular keys, we have like hotel keys. And then right here by the door, we have this little thing right here that my roommate put up, and it's for us to hang like our keys and stuff like that. Next to that, I have a mop bucket and a broom, and then we have one trash can right there. So now turning around to this side, we have two towel hooks right here. Not towel hooks, but like towel racks. So we actually don't have restrooms in our room. As y'all can see, we have pods. By the way, this is what the pods look like. So there are two individual bathrooms and sinks right there, and then we also have individual bathrooms in the hallways as well. So now moving below the towel racks, first of all, I have my backpack right there, and it's just sitting right there because I dropped it right there after I got out of class this morning. Then we have a recycling bin. At UNT, we are really big on taking care of the earth. Next to that, I have my little plastic container that holds all of my clothes. On top of that, I have my laptop tray, which I really honestly don't even use because I don't study in my room. Next, above that on this wall, I have this really cute picture that says Dream from Ross, and I'm pretty sure y'all seen this in my dorm room decor haul. Below that, I have this little canvas that I made hanging on a command hook, and then I also have two other command hooks right here. Right now my keys are hanging on there, and sometimes I'll put like my lanyard if I don't put it on that little thingy. Next to that, I have a mirror right here. In front of that, I have this really cute little hexagon table from Five Below, and then on top of that, a lilac towel with this really cute little thing right here from Five Below, as well as my headphones. Now going right here to up under the bed, this is the common area, as I like to say. So on this, first of all, I have this really cute light box from Family Dollar, I believe, and on it says Matthew 5:14. Behind that, I have my unicorn, and she's glowing right now. Behind that, I just have all of my lotions, sprays, and body washes, also my coconut oil. So below that little shelf, I have my two dirty clothes baskets. So this first one in the front is dedicated to my towels, and then that one holds all of my dirty clothes. Next to that, I have this little shelf. First of all, on top of it in the back, I just have my jewelry holder, and it holds all of my necklaces and earrings and stuff back there. And then this little container right here holds more jewelry and like hair accessories, and I have more jewelry and hair accessories in these two bags as well. In front of that, I just have my iron, and then inside this drawer right here, there are a bunch of random things. So I have cotton balls, batteries, my headscarf, my bonnet, my medicine bag, pads and tampons, just a lot of different random things. So now going to the kitchen, first of all, I have my refrigerator, and then I also have this gray crate sitting on top of my refrigerator with all of my snacks in it. And then also inside my refrigerator, I got mostly drinks, water, lemonade. I have some Lunchables back there, cranberry juice, and some butter. So now moving to this little section right here, first of all, there is the window back there, and I'm sorry if the lighting is really terrible right now. First of all, I have my lamp on top of this. This is a lamp from Walmart that was plain white that I DIY'd. And then next to that I have this little smell good thing from the Dollar Tree, and then I have my printer right there, which I rarely ever use because we get free prints here on campus. So below that there's a little opening in this dresser, so I have my biology book and my chemistry book, and then I also have my laptop bag. I have my goggles for my chemistry class, my lab manual for my chemistry lab, and then I also have some extra school supplies in there. And then in these two drawers there are just some random things. So first of all, I have towels in this one, and then I have random stuff in here as well. Then right there I just have my really cute purple soft rug, and then I have that really cute stool right there from Five Below. So next, moving to my bed, my comforter set is from JCPenney, and then I also have this really cute big pillow back here from Walmart. Right now I have gray sheets on my bed, but sometimes I'll change them to my purple sheets as well. Also on the bed I have this clip fan that I bought from Target. So for the wall above my bed, first of all I have my name right there, and I have some really cute string lights. So next, moving to my really cute desk area, first of all I have this cute little lamp right here clipped to my bed. This is just a little LED lamp. And then on the wall right here, first of all I have my class schedule. I have this little container thing holding a compact mirror, and then I have this cork board here. Next to that on the wall I just have my dry erase board, and it has like all of my stuff to do for the week. Below that I have another little canvas that I painted with my favorite Bible verse on there. So next on my desk, first of all I have my laptop right here just chilling, and usually most of the time my laptop is in my backpack because it goes everywhere that I go. And then right here I have all of my makeup and other different things. Then going below my desk I just have my trash can, and it just says wasting the day away. And then I also have my chair right here with my little gray furry pillow in it. So turning around from my desk, I have my wardrobe. First of all, in this big part right here, this is where all my clothes and stuff are located. First of all, at the top I just have a gray crate with a bunch of like purses. I have two shower caddies. I have a gray one here. This is the one that I take in the restroom with me, and then I also have one back there with like extra stuff in there where I don't necessarily have to take it to the restroom. And now moving down to this part, this is where all of my clothes and shoes are. So first of all I have this little container from Target with all of my shoes in it. Below there I have like my suitcase, an extra backpack and stuff like that. And then right here are all of my clothes. So I just have mostly jackets and dresses hanging up in here, like also a couple of sweaters, and then also my pants. Now looking inside this little part, this is where all of my cleaning supplies is. So I have all of my laundry detergent, glass cleaner, tissue, dryer sheets, Fabuloso. And then on the top of my wardrobe I have my big old trunk, and inside there is a bunch of extra like toiletries and just extra stuff that's like if I run out I have it in there. And also have my laundry basket right there. So guys, that was all for this video. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure I give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll subscribe to this channel, which is linked in that down bar below. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry.